Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Facebook ads. Want to run Facebook ads for your Wix site the right way? Let's connect them in minutes. Just follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to prepare your account. Make sure you have a Wix website. You can do that by going to manage.wix.com and then log in with your account or create a Wix account from the start. Once you finish setting it up, you will have to have a Facebook Business Manager and a Facebook Ads account. As you do that, you're going to go to business.facebook.com like this and make sure to log in with your Facebook account. After that, you're going to open the Wix Marketing Integration. You're going to go to your Wix account and you're going to open the Wix dashboard. And from here, you're going to go to the settings, just like this. And you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the development and integrations. Now from here, you're going to select Market Integration. The third thing you want to do is to connect Facebook. Now you're going to click on the Facebook ads. As you can see here, it's the Meta Pixel or Cappy. Click on Connect. The Connect button will be available once you create a Wix site. Once you finish setting up a Wix site, so make sure to do that. And you are going to click on Continue, or you can create Facebook here by clicking on Continue in this section right here. And then you're going to log into your Facebook account and choose Business Manager, Add Accounts or Facebook page. Then you're going to enable the tracking. You're going to allow Wix to automatically set up the tracking and save and confirm. After that, you're just going to test the connection. You're going to go to Facebook Events Manager. And there, you're going to check if events are showing as active. Now, use the same block Facebook accounts everywhere. And don't block permissions during the setup. Also, avoid manual pixel installation. And that's it. Wix is now connected to Facebook ads. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.